Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about a really great simple design using some simple coloring with Copic markers, and all in all it just comes together for a really quick and easy card. I'm featuring the You Are My Always June 2020 sentiment kit from Unity Stamp Company. Just has this large, gorgeous floral image and lots of great love sentiments for weddings and anniversaries and more. For this card, I'm actually using the birthday sentiment from Hello Sweetheart Bouquet, which was the May 2020 sentiment kit from Unity Stamp Company. I have all my images pre-stamped with a Copic-friendly ink. A couple that I recommend are Memento ink and the Gina K amalgam inks. Both of those are Copic-friendly. And then I'll be using Y000, Y21, G12, N1, and N3 throughout this coloring process. Watch along as I create this card to music. There won't be any chatter, but I love to see how a card comes together, and I hope to inspire you with my process as well. So let's keep going. Here is the finished card. I love how easily it came together with just some simple Copic coloring and a few little accents to make the card special. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I appreciate the time you spent with me and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!